How to play online matches in eFootball. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play online matches on your eFootball game. So, the very first thing that you have to keep in mind is, of course, make sure that you're using the latest version of eFootball application so that your online features or attachments can be unlocked. Now, the second thing to do is go into Extras, go into Support, and then choose on Link Data. You're just gonna make sure that it's either you're gonna be using Google Play or your Konami ID so that you can get in touch with online players and play with them as well. So once you've done this, just simply go back from the home page of the game. And then if this is gonna be the first time downloading this application, you're gonna have to do 3 to 5 matches so that you can unlock online gameplays. So just go into match, and then these are the options that you can do. If you swipe into your right, you should be able to see quick match, friend match, and exhibition. All those features comes from an online players. And that's it. That is how you play online matches in eFootball.